Good evening, everyone. This is your East Coast Weather Authority meteorologist, Alexander Bielfeld. Here's a look at the tropics that we've been looking at for quite a while now. Here's Leslie right now. And another impressive wave coming actually off of Africa that the NHC is giving a 50% chance of development over the next 5 days, likely to just curve out as it's going to quickly intensify and curve out to sea. But the big story is right here with Michael. So taking a closer look at Michael. Michael right now is a Category 1 and continues to strengthen with each and every advisory that comes in from the NHC. It's got a very robust convection coming out through the center, which is feeding to its intensity, increasing the winds, more and more rain expected. Continues to move north, and it's going to take that northern track. Models are very consistent in bringing it into the panhandle of Florida. Another look though, here's Sergio right now. I just want to show you guys, look at this massive eye right now. It's going to move northeast though into the Baja and bring more rain to the desert southwest. So here's the 4 p.m. update of Michael right now, 80 miles an hour wind moving north at 9. And look at that, major hurricane status, like we said. We've been telling you guys to watch out for more tropical development in the Gulf and the Caribbean since the middle of September. We've been telling you to watch out for the beginning of October for a while now, and here it is. It's the same pattern like I showed you if you guys have been following us that we have been experiencing. Been Monster Ridge over the Northeast, same thing with Alberto, Gordon, and Florence. So here's a look at Sergio though, just because I mentioned it. Just want to show you guys continue to move northeast into the Baja and bring more rain to the desert southwest. And here's the consensus model, or the models actually, excuse me, that they're consistent, bringing it right into the Panama City area, right on the panhandle of Florida. GFS, biggest concern here is heavy rain. Now, we do have those winds, and we are expecting, a major hurricane to come out of this and make landfall actually as a major hurricane in Florida. But with the track that it's going to take, it is going to move over the same regions that were already hammered by Florence. And I'm going to show you guys take you back to the tropics looks. Here's this little mess, really. But it's more tropical moisture. And as this moves north, this is going to come with it, and it's just going to be enhanced moisture into North and South Carolina. So that's the biggest concern. Another 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain of already areas that are still recovering. Of course, storm surge for Florida, high winds, especially along the coast until Michael weakens. But another interesting thing actually is once it gets off to here, this trough that is going to take it out, there's going to be a trough that's going to take it out, and right here we're going to have a tropical, extratropical, basically like changeover. So Michael will go from tropical to an extratropical cyclone, and we could get some gale force winds off the coast of Long Island, Nantucket, along the Jersey Shore. So we're gonna have a busy. Michael's gonna do more than just damage in Florida. It's gonna make it all the way up the East Coast, and we can see a lot of impacts from Florida to the East Coast to Maine. So looking at Florida's geography right now. So here, if Michael takes a track right through here, right? The momentum of it moving north will bring more and more storm surge into here, which is the worst case scenario. So this is more the eastern track this year, and what it is the momentum and the winds coming off like into the coast like this will just feed to storm surge into this area. So Panama City, if that is the best case for them, as the winds will be coming obviously like a hurricane, they come anticyclonic, so the winds will be coming offshore instead of onshore like they hear. But if it takes the western track, it brings storm surge right into Panama City, and Helene did it, Opal did it. So Panama City, you got a very strong storm on your hand. Not just Panama City, but the entire Pensacola included, Tallahassee as well. You guys have got an interesting storm to watch. We're going to continue to keep you guys updated with anything that changes in the forecast, but right now, consensus showing anywhere from Pensacola to Tallahassee, that anywhere in there, that area could see the eye, make it over. So um, be careful. The time to prepare is now. It has been for a while, and we'll keep you guys updated. All right. Have a good night, guys.